Welcome to A Better Tech, the place for answers to all your questions about using and maintaining your computer. If you have a specific question you would like answered, feel free to email us. The link is in the video description. Is your Google Chrome browser giving you problems or not working correctly? Today I'm going to show you some tips on making sure it's updated and how to reset it if necessary. With Chrome open, click on the menu button, the three dots, in the top right corner. From there, you can select Settings. In the Settings window, click on About Chrome at the bottom left of that window. Chrome will automatically check for and install updates if needed. If you get this error like I did, shut down and restart Chrome, then start the process over. When the update is complete, click on the Relaunch button to restart Chrome with the updates. Chrome will recheck for updates and should let you know that Chrome is up to date. Now if you click on Reset and Cleanup, you'll be able to restore settings to their original defaults. This helps remove any malware in the cache and will shut off any extensions that may be creating issues. If you save your passwords in Chrome, they should not be cleared, but you may be required to log back into some of your websites after this. After the settings are reset, you can use Chrome's built-in harmful software scanner to see if there are other issues on your computer. This is a good supplement to your antivirus program you're using. After taking these steps, Chrome should start to work correctly for you. All of these same things can be done in Microsoft Edge if you use that browser. The steps are very similar. If you continue to have problems, you can contact us with questions. If you need help with a specific issue on your computer, feel free to email us and we'll do everything we can to get you the answer you need. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.